Sunflower oil, a golden liquid extracted from sunflower seeds, boasts a rich history and a global presence. Native Americans first recognized its value, cultivating sunflowers and harnessing the oil from their seeds. Centuries later, Russia emerged as a sunflower oil powerhouse, propelling its popularity worldwide. Today, sunflower oil graces kitchens and pantries across the globe, celebrated for its versatility and health benefits. This unassuming oil, with its neutral flavor and high smoke point, has become a staple for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Its journey from ancient fields to modern kitchens is a testament to its enduring appeal. Sunflower oil's story is one of culinary heritage and nutritional wisdom passed down through generations. And navigating the world of sunflower oil can seem daunting, but understanding the difference between refined and unrefined oil is key. Refined sunflower oil undergoes a meticulous process to remove impurities, resulting in a pale yellow oil with a neutral flavor and aroma. This refining process also increases its smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking like frying and baking. Unrefined sunflower oil, on the other hand, retains the sunflower's natural goodness. This oil, often labeled as virgin or cold-pressed, boasts a deeper color and a more pronounced, nutty flavor. While its lower smoke point makes it unsuitable for high-heat cooking, it shines in salad dressings, dips, and other cold preparations. Step into any kitchen, and you'll likely find a bottle of sunflower oil. This golden elixir is a staple in both home kitchens and professional culinary spaces around the world. Its popularity is no accident. Sunflower oil is celebrated for its versatility and health benefits. Its versatility and neutral flavor make it an indispensable ingredient for countless dishes. Whether you're whipping up a simple salad or crafting a gourmet meal, sunflower oil seamlessly integrates into a variety of recipes. Its light texture and subtle taste allow it to blend effortlessly without overpowering other ingredients. For those who love the sizzle and crunch of fried foods, refined sunflower oil is a top choice. Its ability to withstand high temperatures makes it perfect for frying, ensuring that your food comes out crispy and delicious every time. From golden French fries to crispy tempura, sunflower oil delivers exceptional results. Its high smoke point prevents it from breaking down at high temperatures, ensuring crispy results without unwanted flavors. This means you can fry with confidence, knowing that your oil won't impart any off taste to your food. It's a reliable companion for all your frying needs. Beyond frying, sunflower oil shines in baking, adding moisture and tenderness to cakes, muffins, and breads. Its ability to keep baked goods soft and fresh for longer periods is a boon for bakers. Imagine biting into a muffin that's perfectly moist and flavorful, thanks to the magic of sunflower oil. Its subtle flavor allows other ingredients to take center stage, making it a true team player in the kitchen. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, marinating meats, or creating a delicate sauce, sunflower oil enhances the overall dish without stealing the spotlight. It's the unsung hero that brings harmony to your culinary creations. Unrefined sunflower oil, with its robust flavor, elevates salad dressings and dips, adding a touch of richness and depth. Its nutty undertones and full-bodied taste make it a favorite for those looking to add a gourmet touch to their dishes. Drizzle it over fresh greens or mix it into a creamy dip, and experience the elevated flavors it brings to the table. While sunflower oil excels in the culinary realm, its talents extend far beyond the kitchen. This nourishing oil is a sought-after ingredient in skincare and hair care, celebrated for its moisturizing and protective properties. Rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, sunflower oil combats free radicals, those environmental aggressors that can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Its emollient properties create a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. Sunflower oil's light texture allows it to absorb quickly without clogging pores, making it suitable for all skin types, even those prone to breakouts. When applied to hair, sunflower oil adds shine, tames frizz, and conditions strands, leaving them soft, manageable, and healthy looking. Section 5. A nutritional powerhouse: vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. In this section, we delve into the incredible benefits that sunflower oil brings to the table, making it a staple in many households around the world. Sunflower oil is more than just a versatile cooking oil. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. This golden oil is extracted from sunflower seeds and is known for its light taste and high smoke point, making it perfect for frying, sautéing, and even baking. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, takes center stage, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall health. This vitamin is crucial in neutralizing free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. By incorporating sunflower oil into your diet, you can help shield your body from these harmful effects. This vitamin plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system and maintaining healthy skin and eyes. Regular consumption of sunflower oil can lead to a noticeable improvement in skin texture and appearance, thanks to its moisturizing properties and ability to support skin cell regeneration. Sunflower oil is also a good source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K helps in the synthesis of proteins required for blood coagulation, preventing excessive bleeding and ensuring proper wound healing. But the nutritional benefits don't stop there. Sunflower oil is also rich in other vital nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. Its nutritional profile makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Sunflower oil is brimming with healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are essential for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. These fats, particularly linoleic acid, which is omega-6, and oleic acid, which is omega-9, play a vital role in heart health and overall well-being. Omega-6 fatty acids are known to support brain function and promote healthy growth and development, while omega-9 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and improve metabolic health. By choosing sunflower oil, you're making a heart-healthy choice that benefits your entire body. Section 6. A heart-healthy choice. Sunflower oil's benefits. Incorporating sunflower oil into a balanced diet can have a positive impact on heart health. The unsaturated fats in sunflower oil, particularly oleic acid, have been linked to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, sunflower oil helps prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. Moreover, sunflower oil's rich vitamin E content acts as an antioxidant, protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease. Adding sunflower oil to your diet is a simple yet effective way to support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems. Section 7. From seed to bottle. Unveiling the extraction process. The journey of sunflower oil from seed to bottle is a fascinating process. Industrial extraction, the most common method, involves a series of steps designed to maximize oil yield. Sunflower seeds are first cleaned and hulled, then crushed to release their precious oil. The crushed seeds undergo heating and pressing to extract the oil, followed by refining to remove impurities and improve color and flavor. Cold pressing, a more traditional method, involves extracting the oil using mechanical pressure without heat. This gentler process preserves more of the sunflower seed's natural nutrients and flavor, resulting in a higher quality oil, albeit with a shorter shelf life. Section 8. Debunking the myths, addressing omega-6 concerns. Sunflower oil, while rich in heart-healthy fats, has sometimes been subject to misinformation regarding its omega-6 fatty acid content. While it's true that sunflower oil contains omega-6 fatty acids, it's essential to understand that these fatty acids are essential for human health and play a role in brain function, growth, and development. The key is balance. Consuming excessive amounts of omega-6 fatty acids without a proper balance of omega-3 fatty acids can contribute to inflammation. However, incorporating sunflower oil as part of a balanced diet that includes omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts is unlikely to pose any health risks. Section 9. Selecting and storing sunflower oil. Tips for maximum freshness. In this section, we'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure your sunflower oil remains fresh and retains its quality for as long as possible. Choosing the right sunflower oil and storing it properly are crucial steps in preserving its quality and freshness. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming, but understanding the differences can make your decision easier. When shopping for sunflower oil, consider its intended use. Are you planning to use it for high-heat cooking, or do you need it for cold dishes like salads and dips? This will help you decide between refined and unrefined options. Refined sunflower oil, with its neutral flavor and high smoke point, is ideal for high-heat cooking. It's perfect for frying, sautéing, and baking, as it can withstand higher temperatures without breaking down. Unrefined or cold-pressed sunflower oil, with its richer flavor and lower smoke point, is best suited for salad dressings, dips, and other cold preparations. Its robust taste can enhance the flavors of your dishes, making them more vibrant and delicious. Once you've brought your sunflower oil home, store it in a cool, dark place, away from heat and direct sunlight. A pantry or a kitchen cabinet away from the stove is ideal. Proper storage is key to maintaining the oil's freshness and extending its shelf life. Heat and light can degrade the oil's quality, affecting its flavor and nutritional value. Exposure to these elements can cause the oil to become rancid more quickly, leading to an unpleasant taste and smell. Make sure the bottle is tightly sealed to prevent oxidation, which can lead to rancidity. Oxidation occurs when the oil is exposed to air, causing it to spoil faster. By keeping the bottle tightly closed, you can preserve the oil's quality and enjoy its benefits for a longer period.